You aren't just losing money. You are trapped in a deeply toxic, one-sided relationship with the market. Every time you revenge trade, you are chasing a ghost, just like a failing romance you cannot let go of. It is time to stop mistaking market volatility for passion and recognize the self-sabotage before it destroys your capital. You mistake the violent volatility of the charts for actual connection. When you take a massive loss, your primitive brain doesn't process it as a simple mathematical business transaction. It processes it as a deep personal betrayal. And just like a bad breakup, instead of walking away and protecting your peace, you start stalking the ticker. You stare at the S&P 500 or gold for hours, desperate for a way to force it to love you back, completely unable to accept being wrong. This is the true anatomy of the obsession. The dopamine rush of a chaotic trade mimics the extreme highs of a turbulent romance. You throw more capital at a losing position just to prove you were right, falling helplessly into the sunk cost trap. We need to identify this silent killer for what it truly is. Revenge trading is not a financial strategy. It is a fight-or-flight trauma response. When the market takes your money, your nervous system panics, and you click the mouse seeking immediate emotional closure. You can actually feel the physical symptoms of this toxicity. Your heart rate elevates, your palms sweat, and your vision tunnels. You are no longer an analytical professional. You are an addict trying to win back the affection of a machine that literally has no feelings. Then comes the gaslighting phase. You start lying to yourself to survive the drawdown. You rewrite your entire trading plan mid-session just to justify staying in a toxic setup. You ignore blatant red flags because you are emotionally tethered to a losing bias. You convince yourself that if you just add a little more margin, the market will finally see your commitment and turn around. But the market is entirely indifferent. It will quietly consume every dollar you have while you beg for validation. It is time to completely dismantle this cycle of self-sabotage. You must implement the restraining order technique. When you hit your daily loss limit, you do not argue, you do not negotiate. You forcefully close the terminal and you walk away. You must shift your entire psychological focus. You are no longer trying to win the argument with the market. Your only goal today is to preserve your emotional peace and protect your core capital from your own destructive, impulsive behaviors. If a specific asset, whether it's the Nasdaq, gold, or a volatile crypto, consistently drains your account and destroys your mental health, you must initiate the no-contact rule. Delete it from your watch list entirely. Starve the obsession. You have to fundamentally redefine what trading success actually looks like. A healthy relationship with risk is not a dramatic, heart-pounding roller coaster. It is boring, stable, and entirely predictable. You need to establish a daily routine that prioritizes absolute emotional neutrality. Accept that taking a calculated loss is simply a business expense, an operational cost. It is not a devastating rejection of your personal worth. Stop trying to dominate the market. You cannot control the ocean. You can only build a stronger boat. Your capital is not a weapon to settle scores. It is a quiet partner that you must fiercely protect. When you finally sever this toxic emotional bond, the charts lose their hypnotic power over you. The anxiety fades. The desperate need to click buttons disappears, replaced by the cold, calculated patience of a true professional. You will sit at your desk and watch the market sweep levels, hunt stops, and trap the emotional amateurs, and you will feel absolutely nothing. You will wait in total silence for your exact high probability setup to appear. And if the setup doesn't form, you simply close the laptop and go enjoy your day. You have finally realized that having zero open positions is a perfectly valid, highly profitable, and emotionally safe stance. Break the trauma bond today. Stop treating the market like a toxic lover who owes you an apology, and start treating it like a probability matrix that requires your absolute, unwavering discipline. The moment you stop trading for emotional closure, the consistent, life-changing money will finally start to flow. Protect your heart, protect your mental capital, and let the mathematics do the heavy lifting. If you recognize yourself in this toxic cycle, you are not alone. Drop a comment below on how you plan to break your revenge trading habit today. Subscribe to the channel, share this with a trader who needs a reality check, and I will see you in the next video.